If you watched a stream on TikTok, then you probably noticed this timer that shows the countdown towards a specific event. Well, today I'm going to show you how to enable it yourself. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So what you will need to do is download Tickfinity. If you haven't already seen my previous videos, then make sure to go watch those. You can do most of the stuff in Tickfinity. There will be a link down in the description below where you can download it. It's a super nice tool. All you have to do is just link your TikTok account right over here. So click on connect to TikTok Live, just link that, and then once you connected your TikTok to Tickfinity, all you have to do is just scroll down right over here in the bottom left. You will see timer. Click on that, and then you will see a bunch of different settings. So you can change these to whatever you want. You will have the customize button right over here. You can change the font size. You can change the background color, all of the basic stuff right over here. And then you have the controls. If you click on start, it will start the 10-minute countdown. You can click on pause. So what's the cool thing about this timer is that you can make it do a specific event once it hits the 0. So if you go over here, you can go to action on expiry and you can click on change. So you can make it to whatever action you have set up previously. If you watch my Minecraft video, for example, you can make it, spawn in TNTs or whatever else you have set up. Choose that specific action, and once it hits 0, it will do that specific action. It's pretty cool. You can do whatever you want, whatever is, in your creative mind, you can set it up like that. Over here on the bottom, you can also change it so it does specific things per coin, per subscribe, whatever. So if somebody follows, it adds more to the timer. If somebody subscribes, it adds more. Whatever you want to add over here, you can do that. And now, how do you actually import it to your streaming software? It's actually super simple. All you have to do is just copy this URL right over here. You click on copy, and then you go into your OBS or your TikTok Live Studio and you paste it as a browser source. So for TikTok Live Studio, all you have to do is just click on add source, and then you go into the link over here. You click on add, and then you just paste the link right here. Turn on sound, you can do that if you want, and then add source, and it will add the source right over here. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, whatever, and then you can place it wherever you want. For OBS, it's a different thing. For OBS, what we need to do is just right-click the sources, add, and then you add a browser source. You click on browse, you can name it whatever you want, you can name it timer, okay, and then you paste in this link right over here. You click on okay, and you have the timer set up. And that's how you can add a timer to your stream and customize it to your liking. If you got this far into the video, make sure to drop the like. And also, if you don't know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you haven't seen my other TikTok guides, make sure to check them out right over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.